So the next thing that I need you all to do is create your author bios. So it's in this folder. It's right here. You guys can't see it at the time that I make video, which is why it's grayed out. But by the time you're watching this, you should be in this folder. So there's an assignment in here from Google Docs. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the stylistic choices that we make when we're writing an author bio. So you're going to write your author bio in this document, okay, at the bottom after you read all this junk that I've written here. Okay. First things first, you want your writing to be in the third person. So you're not going to use I, you're going to say your name, right? So Mr. Dugan is talking to you about Mr. Dugan's author bio assignment. That's an example of third person. Okay. You want to keep the writing really, really tight. So you don't want any extra words in there at all. You need to cram as much information about yourself into as small a size or a word count as possible. And then you want a convincing hook. So here's some like questions to kind of get you started, right? So who are you? Where did you come from? What makes you special? Why should I care about you? Each of these things is an important question that you have to answer in order to hook your audience. And then talk a little bit about what you enjoy reading or writing, who your biggest influences are, why do you love writing? If you don't love writing and you're taking this because you needed an elective credit, don't write that. Like come up with some reason, because I promise you'll love writing by the time the year's over. Who's your favorite author? If you don't have a favorite author, why don't we just extend that to favorite writer? So if you have a favorite movie, find out who wrote the screenplay for it. Okay. So what do you hope to accomplish this academic year? Right. I just want this year. I want you to set one goal for this year. And then last but not least, I want you to plug your stuff. Right. So if you have like an Instagram or Snapchat or anything, you have the opportunity to get some eyes on those things. Maybe get a little extra social media stuff for yourself. Here is a sample author bio that I wrote a year or two ago. You feel free to use this as a template for your own. There are more of these that got through for the approval that are on our website that is up here at this address. Okay. And you can just flip through and read some of these and take a look at how they're laid out and formatted and begin to write your own and turn them in. And the last thing that you'll need to do is give me a photo. Many of you gave me photos under the Introduce Yourself slideshow. I will just ask you to copy that and paste it into this document so that we have everything all in one place, and then I can start getting the authors page of our website updated. So, all right, guys, that's what I need you to do. Please ask me if you have any questions.